Hello and welcome to the very first episode of Real Estate Matters. I'm Divine, your local Halifax realtor and host. Today, we're diving into what's really going on in Halifax's real estate market as we head into spring 2025. So let's get into it. First thing first, yes, the market is still hot, but it's not on fire like it was during the pandemic. Things have calmed down a bit, but there is still a lot of action. Right now, the average home price in Halifax is sitting around $579,000. That's a decent increase from last year. So prices are still trending upwards, but not in the fast pace we saw in 2021 or 2022. So prices are up about 7% compared to 2023. That tells us that the buyers are back and people are feeling a bit more confidence jumping into the market. You're not imagining it. There are more listings now than last year, but it's still competitive. We've got around 760 active listings on the market right now. And based off the month of inventory, it would take us 2.2 months to sell everything on the market if nothing new comes on. So it's not a full-on seller's market anymore, but it's not totally balanced either. It's kind of in that in-between zone where both buyers and sellers have to be smart and strategic. Let's talk about neighborhoods. If you're looking for a little bit more bang for your bucks, places like Sackville, Dartmouth, and Eastern Passage are getting a lot of attention. They're still relatively affordable, and you can find a great property with space and even a backyard. And investors are definitely keeping an eye on these areas because of the rental demand in Halifax. Halifax population is growing thanks to immigration and more people moving from other provinces. And more people are looking for a place to live. Some key things to keep in mind. Interest rates have started to stabilize, which has brought some buyers back into the game. Rents are still high, so buying is looking more attractive to a lot more people. And with immigration and more people coming to Halifax, demand is staying strong. So if you're a buyer, get pre-approved, know your budget, and don't sleep on a house if you love it. You don't always have to bid above asking, but you've got to move with purpose. And if you're thinking about selling, now is a great time to list, especially if your place is move-in ready. Buyers are still picky, so make sure your home shines. All right, that's a wrap on episode 1. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I will be dropping new episodes regularly, so if you want to stay on top of the Halifax market and get some real estate advice, make sure to like, share, and follow. If you have questions or want me to cover certain topics, send me a message. I would love to hear from you.